Have you ever wondered if it's possible to touch the fabric of the universe and shape the reality around you? Welcome to the beginning of an extraordinary journey where we will unveil the 369 method, a master key bequeathed by the visionary Nikola Tesla. This method is not just a technique, it's a gateway to a world where your boldest dreams can become reality, aligning with the principles of the law of attraction. Imagine yourself as a sculptor of destiny, where each thought and intention carves your future existence. We are about to embark on an adventure that will transform not only the way you see the world but also how you interact with it. Now, pause for a moment and reflect. What are your deepest desires? Perhaps it's prosperity, love, health, or success. The 369 method, aligned with the law of attraction, is the tool that will guide you in manifesting these desires. It's an invitation for you to connect with the universe in a way you never thought possible. By entering this path, you're not just learning a technique, you're awakening to a new way of living, where you are the conscious creator of your reality. Get ready for a transformation that starts now, within you, radiating out to the universe.
The importance of the numbers 3, 6, and 9.
The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are more than mere digits. They are the essence of the universe's very structure, according to Tesla. Imagine these numbers as keys that open doors to dimensions of energy, frequency, and vibration. Tesla didn't see these numbers just as quantities, but as symbols of a profound cosmic pattern. When you start integrating these numbers into your life, you're aligning with this pattern, tuning into the harmony of the universe. It's as if each repetition of these numbers resonates with the strings of reality, creating a melody that attracts your deepest desires. Now, think about this. Each number has its unique vibration. The number 3 symbolizes growth and expansion, 6 represents harmony and balance, and 9 is the culmination, the point of realization. By using these numbers intentionally, you're weaving a tapestry of energy that shapes your life experience. You're not just repeating numbers, you're invoking a powerful force that resides at the heart of the cosmos. By embracing the wisdom of these numbers, you become a maestro, conducting the orchestra of the universe to play the symphony of your dreams.
Tesla, the man behind the method.
Nikola Tesla was not just an inventor, he was a mystic in science, a man who saw beyond the boundaries of conventional knowledge. His inventions, like alternating current and the induction motor, changed the world, but his legacy goes far beyond that. Tesla understood that the universe operates on a level that transcends the tangible. He knew that energy, frequency, and vibration are the pillars upon which reality is built. Studying Tesla, we're not just learning about physics or engineering, we're exploring the mysteries of the universe. In this context of exploring the universe's mysteries, the ideas of Braden offer a fascinating perspective. Braden, an author renowned for uniting science and spirituality, discusses concepts like the ether and the divine matrix, which intriguingly align with Tesla's ideas. The ether, often described as an energy field connecting everything in the universe, echoes Tesla's theories about energy and frequency. Similarly, the divine matrix, which Braden describes as a kind of network or fabric connecting all things, reflects the idea that we are all interconnected at a fundamental level. These concepts expand our understanding of how our thoughts and intentions can influence reality, a notion at the core of the 369 method.
Detailed explanation and combination of the 369 method with a focus on financial manifestation.
The 369 method, inspired by Nikola Tesla's insights, is a manifestation practice that delves into the energy and symbolism of the numbers 3, 6, and 9. In this method, the number 9 emerges as the most significant element, acting as the culmination point where intentions and desires materialize. Let's explore how you can effectively integrate this powerful vibration into your daily practice, combining the insights from the previous texts with a special focus on financial manifestation. Initially, choosing 3 affirmations is a fundamental step. These should be clear, positive, and reflect exactly what you wish to manifest. For example, if your goal is to attract financial prosperity, your affirmations might be: 1. I am attracting financial abundance and lucrative opportunities into my life. 2. I am grateful for the financial wealth flowing to me in expected and unexpected ways. 3. My ability to generate income is limitless, and my financial success is growing. The daily practice involves reviewing these affirmations 6 times a day, imbuing your subconscious with the energy and intention of these affirmations. Each repetition is a step toward materializing your financial desires, building and amplifying the energy around them. The most transformative aspect of the method is the number 9. During each review, focus on one affirmation for 9 seconds, visualizing yourself experiencing the reality of these affirmations. Imagine receiving money, checking your bank balance and seeing a number that makes you happy, or receiving a promotion or lucrative business opportunity. The number 9, as a number of completion and realization, symbolizes the end of a cycle and the beginning of a new one. By incorporating the number 9 in your financial manifestation practice, you are aligning your intentions with this powerful universal cycle. Maintain this practice for 9 consecutive days to maximize the method's effectiveness, creating a powerful period of intention and transformation.
Recapitulation and farewell with inclusions of modified items.
To recap, we began with an invitation to dive into the powerful 369 method, an extraordinary manifestation tool inspired by Nikola Tesla. We understood the importance of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, not just as simple digits, but as vital keys to unlocking the universe's energy. We reflected on Tesla's figure, a visionary who inspires us to transcend the conventional and explore the universe's mysteries, and we introduced Braden's perspectives on the ether and the divine matrix, expanding our understanding of the interconnection of all things. At the heart of our learning is the detailed practice of the 369 method, including its specific application for financial manifestation. We learn to carefully choose 3 affirmations that reflect our deepest desires, including those related to financial prosperity, and the crucial importance of the number 9 in this process. This number acts as the universe's enter key, a powerful catalyst that transforms our intentions into reality. During 9 seconds of total immersion, we intensely connect with our desires, feeling them as if they were already present in our life. This moment of deep connection is reinforced by the continuous practice for 9 days, aligning our vibrations with those of the universe and paving the way for the manifestation of our dreams, including financial prosperity. Now, it's your turn to apply this transformative knowledge. Remember, the universe is listening, and you have the incredible power to shape your reality, including your financial reality. If you found value in this content, please leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to not miss any transformative insights. Together, we are embarking on a journey of discovery and manifestation, guided by Tesla's lessons and enriched by Braden's perspectives. Until next time, keep vibrating high and transforming your dreams into reality, including your financial goals. You have the power. You can do it!